Hey everybody, Scott Moday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I want to share with you a few reasons why this year, 2023, is a fantastic year to embark on a kitchen or bathroom remodel. Now I might be a bit biased on the topic, after all we do kitchen and bathroom remodels, but I think there are some really important reasons why this is a wonderful year to remodel. The first is we're actually, for the first time in a long time, seeing availability in supplies. Things like appliances and sinks and faucets and all those types of things are becoming very available because of, quite frankly, lower demand. And so waiting for items that you need for your remodel is not going to be an issue in 2023. Which actually leads me to the second point. 2023 is going to be the first year in a long time that we actually see a reduction in material prices. We're not seeing that so much in labor, as the factors that affect labor prices haven't really changed, but materials are getting to be a little bit lower in price as the suppliers are adjusting based on supply and demand. So once again, this is a fantastic year to take advantage of those lower prices. The last reason this year is going to be prime for a kitchen or bathroom remodel is you're probably not moving anytime soon. You probably locked in a low interest rate when you purchased your home or when you refinanced, and now it's about making the home that you're in your forever home. A kitchen or a bathroom remodel is going to go so far in helping you enjoy the space that you're in for the years to come. We've just come off the holiday season, and I bet if you're being really honest, you wish you would have done that kitchen or bathroom remodel before the holidays. So don't make that same mistake again in 2023. It's a great year to do your remodel, and we'd love to talk with you about your project. So give us a call at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbcrate.com.